Encountered an ACLR file in your AutoCAD working directory? These are temporary files AutoCAD uses during operation. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these AutoCAD temporary files. I call this the last resort solution for those AC files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. ACTLR. Files are temporary working files created by AutoCAD during drawing operations and command execution. They contain partial drawing data, intermediate calculations, or session-specific information that AutoCAD uses internally for operations like undo history, command processing, or autosave, and typically removes when closed properly. AutoCAD AC. Temporary files use a binary format similar to internal AutoCAD working data. They are not intended for direct user access and may contain incomplete information. The $sign in the extension follows AutoCAD's convention for marking temporary files separate from final saved drawings or recoverable backup files. Autodesk endorses AutoCAD as the main tool for handling ACLR files. The extraction process relies on algorithms not included in the Windows operating system. Windows and many programs delete temp files during shutdown or restart. Initiate the search for the correct opener. Right-click your ACLR file and select Open With. Your best bet is AutoCAD. If you see it, use it. If not, cycle through the remaining options. When an ACLR file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The system isn't broken. The file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this ACLR error before we apply the universal fix. First, letting AutoCAD manage. Allow AutoCAD to manage ACLR files automatically, without manual intervention. These files are created and removed during normal application operation. Avoid manually opening or modifying ACLR files since they contain incomplete data that may not represent valid drawing states for editing or viewing purposes. Next, recovering from crashes. If AutoCAD crashed, leaving ACLR files behind launch. AutoCAD again to trigger automatic drawing recovery. The Drawing Recovery Manager opens displaying available recovery options including data from ACLR's temporary files. Select Recovery to restore work from the most recent intact recovery point before the crash. Finally, cleaning up old files. For ACLR files left over from past AutoCAD sessions that no longer matter, it is safe to delete them when AutoCAD is not running. Stale temporary files consume disk space without serving any purpose. Close all AutoCAD instances first, then delete ACLR files from working directories or use Windows Disk Cleanup utility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. I appreciate you sticking around for the full guide. A quick like and subscribe helps me produce more content like this.